Hello and welcome. I'm going to be answering WAEC 2020 Biology Objective Past Question 33. Soil with the finest texture is A. Silt, B. Clay, C. Sand, D. Gravel. So we have various types of soil here. The major soil types are 3 in number. We have sand, clay, and loam. This is also what is called sandy soil. This is also clay soil and loamy soil. So these are the 3 major soil types. But here we are given a list containing just 2 of the 3 major soil types, and we are asked for the one with the finest texture. So let's look at how we can get the finest texture. So usually the one with the finest texture has the smallest particle sizes. So in order to pick out the one with the smallest particle size and then the finest texture, let's take a look at each of the particle sizes for each of the options. So for silt, which is option A, it has particle size of between 0.002 to 0.05 millimeter in diameter. So this is the size range for the particles. So for clay, you have particle sizes less than 0.002 millimeter in diameter. So C, which is sand, has a range from between 0.05 to 2.0 millimeters. And then gravel has particle size between 4 millimeter to 64 millimeter for very coarse gravel. So from this we see that option B, which is clay, has the smallest particle size of below 0.002 millimeter, and this means that it has the finest texture. So option B, clay, is the soil with the finest texture. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.